What's very what makes Blue Ball very unusual is inside the album.
Brush by fairy tales, itsy bitsy diamond wells, big fat hurricanes, yellow belly giving names, where shortcuts can slow you down, and in the end we're bound to rebound off of waves. We'll dust off your thinking caps, solar powered plastic plants, pretty pictures of things we ate. We're only what we hate, but in the long run we have found silent films are full of sound, inaudibly free. Slow down everyone, you're moving too fast. Frames can't catch you when you're moving like that. Inaudible melodies of narrational strategies, unobtrusive tones help to notice nothing but the zone of visual relevancy. Frame lines tell me what to see, chopping like an axle. Maybe Eisenstein should just relax. Slow down everyone, you're moving too fast. Frames can't catch you when you're moving like that. Plato's cave is full of freaks, demanding refunds for the things they've seen. I wish they could believe in all the things that never made the screen. And just slow down everyone, you're moving too fast. Frames can't catch you when you're moving like that. Slow down everyone, you're moving too fast.